Hi guys, so plan is going to replace the CV boot today. I think if you watched the last video before this, you understand why I've drafted in some help in the form of a mechanic. 290's back on, and just because that's now so that's now free. See, just watch that gear split as well. See that one there? Oh, is that another new one I need? Aye. What I'm thinking is, hey, that's already split, so just... See if that comes off, I can order a new one of them, see for when the piece in go back together happens. Right, so how the fuck did that? I need 12s and 12s. There's a nut and bolt that bolts the flange on, and then take them off, and we'll just pull the shaft out. Toffee. And then there'll be the joint inside there, the cup. But because you'll need to take that off to get the gator on first, then put the joint back on, then seal it all up. So I'll give it a bash. Off. Oh, I see a nice stainless steel exhaust up there, Stuart. Yes, yes. So that last bolt, and then that's that loose, and then we'll need to move you out, and then that will just come out the side. Wow, the difference with a pro, Paul. We've got this out, so now what we might need to do, let's see. This is the Guinness one, right? I think. Wow. One drive shaft. Wow. So that's your bearings, and that's bearings in there. And then when you're connected to the drive, obviously that's what gives you a drive. But we need to fill that with grease and obviously secure that and clean it and stuff. But one drive shaft out. So because you've got that, normally you keep like that, an amateur. You keep that in there till you crack this nut that holds the throttle down to the track arm. But so I've just put the jack under to keep the pressure, and then use your shifter, and then that's that loose. So that's that loose from the track at the end, then we'll just spin it off. Yes. New one on. We'll just leave it off for now, but I think it'll give us more flexibility for putting the drive shaft back in. But let's see if I can move that. I'll take the vice grips away so you shoot at me. So you've got that cracked, but then that's got to go in a certain amount of threads. Obviously you're going to get your wheel alignment done anyway, but if you want to just go roughly close to where it was before, you can just count the turns. Right. So if your tractor end's pointing to the ceiling, so that's just 1 turn, 2, 3, 4, 5. Eight, 24. Right, so 25. Yeah. So when you put the new tractor end, you're going 25 turns in. It's roughly where it was, and that means whoever's doing the wheel alignment has got half a battle and a tie rod. A tie rod, is that called it like an American? That's a tie rod to end. Yep. That's a tie rod into your steering rack. Yes. So you can replace them. Probably a bit cleaner in there, fair bit old grease off.
Yep.
So at the top there, sometimes you've got an Allen key or a hex. You can put something in, but there's nothing in this one. Nylock nut. So sometimes when you go to fit it and you start tightening it up,
Yeah.
it can start spinning.
Right.
The throttle then can start spinning. So get yourself a wee jack and pull. Obviously for the legal disclaimer, make sure the car's secure before you do it like this.
Yes, yes.
And then one to protect the threads.
Yep.
And then, so new ball joint on this side, sat with the ball joint on our side. Job's a good one.
Trophy. Right guys, so I think that's it. CV boot is replaced. Don't know if anyone will ever be able to use that as a how-to, but that's more like how it should be done by a professional. So cheers to my good pal Bruno for helping us with that. And next time, I promise this car will be running. I'll just drive it up to an MOT centre and we can eventually start getting out and about as this good weather's starting to come in, hopefully. And thanks again for watching.